Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In previous videos, I have done exercise 4.1 and exercise 4.2 in part 1 and part 2. And today we are going to complete exercise 4.3 of quadratic equation. So let's start with it. And today's topic is natures of roots of quadratic equation. An important point to remember before doing the sums is here nature of roots are d is lesser than 0 is equal to equation has no real roots. If d is greater than 0, then roots are real and distant. D is equal to 0, then roots are real and equal. Now discriminant formula is the d value over here is b square minus 4ac, and the main formula is x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. And one more formula is x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of d by 2a. So this is the important before starting the nature of roots exercise. Now let us start with the exercise first sum. So the first main is find the nature of roots of following quadratic equation. If the real roots exist, find them. The first question is 2x square minus 3x plus 5 is equal to 0. And the answer for this is the given equation is in form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a is equal to 2, b is equal to 3, c is equal to 5. The discriminant formula is d is equal to b square minus 4ac. Now the b value is 3, so it becomes 3 square whole square minus 4, and a value is 2 and c value is 5. Now 3 3s are 9 minus 4 into 2 5s are 10. So 9 minus 4 10s are 40. So 9 minus 40 is 31, and 40 is greater digit, so I'm going to take minus sign over here. Now here the d value is lesser than 0. So therefore d is lesser than 0. Therefore the given equation has no real roots. Okay, now let's go for the second question. So the second question is 3x square minus 4 root of 3x plus 4 is equal to 0. And the answer for this is the given equation is in form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a value is 3 and b value is minus 4 root of 3 and c value is 4. So therefore discriminant is d is equal to b square minus 4ac. The formula for discriminant is d is equal to b square minus 4ac. So now d is equal to b value is minus 4 root of 3 whole square minus 4. A value is over here 3 and c value is 4. Now for this, now for 4, 2 times we have to going to multiply because square is there. So it becomes 4 4s are 16. And for this root 3, how we are going to do is, see over here, root 3, it becomes whole square. This square and root, I'm going to cancel it. 4 into 3 into 4. 16 into 3. Here 4 into 3 4s are 12. 16 3s are 48 minus 4 12s are 48. Now 48 minus 48 is equal to 0. So therefore d is equal to 0. The equation has two equal real roots. If we are getting equal and real roots, so now we have to do the formula, that is the two roots are, that is therefore x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. In this, therefore d is equal to b square minus 4ac. This you have to remember, equal to, now what is the b value over here? Minus 4 root of 3. Minus of minus 4 root of 3 plus or minus b square minus 4ac is d. Okay. So d this I'm going to write a root of d is by 2 and a value is 3. So here minus to minus it becomes plus, so 4 root of 3 and plus in this root of d value is 0. So we are not going to take any value for this. By 2 3s are 6. Now here I'm going to cross multiply it like that. 2 2s are 4 and 2 3s are 6 by 2 table. And now 2 root of 3 by 3. Therefore, the roots are 2 root of 3 by 3. So, this is the answer for the second question. Now, let us go to the third. Now, the third question is 2x square minus 6x plus 3 is equal to 0. Answer is the given equation is in form x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 6, c is equal to 3. The discriminant is d is equal to b square minus 4ac. B value is minus 6 whole square minus 4, a value is 2 and c value is 3. Now 6 6 are 36, minus into minus is plus, minus 4 to 3 are 6. 36 minus 4 6 are 24. The value is 12. 36 minus 24 is 12. So it is greater than 0. D is lesser than 0. So the equation has two distinct roots. Therefore, the two roots are, therefore x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a equal to, now b value is minus 6 plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac is d value, that is 12. Therefore, d is equal to b square minus 4ac. So b square minus 4ac value is 12. So 12 root of 12 by 2a. 2 into a value is 2 equal to minus into minus is plus 6 plus or minus 12. A root is 4 3s are 12 by 4 equal to 6 plus or minus. For this we are going to do is root of 12 is 4 3s are 12 and 4 root is 2. So we are going to write it as 2 root of 3 by 4. So thus we are going to do cross multiplication as 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6 equal to 3 plus minus 2 root of 3 by 2. Here we are going to cancel 2 2 equal to 3 plus or minus root of 3. So therefore the roots are 3 plus or minus root of 3. So this is the answer for the third question. Now let us go to the next question. Find the value of k for each of the following quadratic equations so that they have two equal roots. And the first question is 2x squared plus kx plus 3 is equal to 0. So answer is a is equal to 2, b is equal to k, c is equal to 3. Therefore, the roots are equal. D is equal to b square minus 4ac, comma d is equal to 0. Therefore, b square minus 4ac is equal to d. D is equal to 0. Why we are taking? Because here we have in the question that they have two equal roots. So D is equal to 0. So we are taking it as D is equal to 0. K2 minus 4AC, that is A value is 2 and C value is 3 equal to 0. K square minus 4 into 2 3 is 6 is equal to 0. K square minus 4 6 is 24 equal to 0. K square is equal to minus 24 becomes plus 24. K is equal to, the square changes to plus or minus root of 24. So therefore, K is equal to plus or minus 24 root is 4 6 is 24 and 4 square root is 2. So it becomes 2 root of 6. 2 root of 6. Therefore, the value of k for given equation is plus or minus 2 root of 6. So this is the answer for the first sum. Now let us go to the second question. Now the second sum is kx of x minus 2 plus 6 is equal to 0. Now how we are going to do this answer is kx into x is kx square minus kx into 2 is 2kx plus 6 is equal to 0. Therefore, A is k and B value is minus 2k, C value is equal to 6. Therefore, the roots are equal. That is, D is equal to 0. Therefore, B square minus 4AC is equal to D. B value is minus 2kx, so it becomes minus 2k whole square. Minus 4, A value is k and C value is 6 equal to 0. Now here 2 2s is 4, 4k square minus 2 minus is plus. And minus 4 6 is 24k equal to 0. Now this how we're going to do is 4k into k is 4k square minus 4k into 6 is 4 6 is 24k equal to 0. Therefore 4k is equal to 0. K minus 6 is equal to 0. K is equal to plus 4 becomes minus 4 or k minus 6 is equal to 0. K is equal to minus 6 becomes plus 6. Therefore, the value of k is equal to 6. So this is the answer for the second question. Let us go to the third question. The third sum is it possible to design a rectangular mango grove whose length is twice its breadth and the area is 800 m square? If so, find its length and breadth. The answer is let the breadth of mango be is equal to x and let the length of mango b is equal to x. Now area is equal to 800 m square. Therefore, the formula of area is equal to length into breadth, that is L into B. Now area value is 800, so 800 is equal to length value is 2x into B is breadth value is x, so 2x into 2x. 800 is equal to 2x into x is 2x square. So 800 by 2, when it is changing to the left hand side, it becomes divided. That is 8 divided by 2 is equal to x square. Now this I'm going to cross multiply. 2 ones are 2 and 2 400 is 800. So 400 is equal to x square. X square is equal to 400. X is equal to x is equal to, the square changes to plus or minus root of 400, and root 400 root is 20. So x is equal to plus or minus 20. Therefore, the length cannot be negative. Length cannot be negative. So x is equal to minus 20. We get x is equal to 20 and 2x is equal to equal to 2 into x value is 20, so 20 to 20 is 40. Therefore, breadth of mango groove is equal to 20 meter. Length of mango groove is equal to 40 meter. So this is the third, and x is not equal to minus 20. So this is the third answer. Now let us go for the fourth question. Is the following situation possible? If so, determine their present ages. The sum of ages of two friends is 20 years. 4 years ago, the product of their ages in years was 48. The answer is, let the first friend age be is equal to x years. Let the second friend age be, that is equal to 20 minus x years. Therefore, 4 years ago, first friend age is equal to x minus 4 years. Second friend age is equal to 20 minus x minus 4, that is 20 minus 4 is 16 x years. According to the given condition in the question. According to the given condition in question, that is x minus 4 16 minus x is equal to 48. Because in the question we have that the product of the edges in years was 48, so we are taking over here 48. Now how we're going to do it is x of 16 minus x minus 4 of 16 minus x is equal to 48. Now we're going to multiply x into 16 is 16x minus x into x is x squared minus 4 16s is 64 minus into minus is plus 4 into x is 4x and this equal to 48. Now we are going to do it x square minus x square. This is plus 16 x plus 4x becomes plus 20x minus 64. Now 48. When it changes to the left hand side, it becomes minus 48 equals to 0. Now here we have to remove the minus sign, so I'm going to put minus into bracket, that is minus into minus is plus x square, minus into plus is minus 20x. Now minus into minus is plus 64 plus 48 is 112. And here minus into minus is plus, that is minus into minus is plus, equal to 0. Therefore now the proper equation is x square minus 20x plus 112 is equal to 0. Thus is quadratic equation a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 20, c is equal to 112. The discriminant formula is therefore discriminant d is equal to b square minus 4ac is equal to b value is minus 20, that is minus 20 whole square minus 4, a value is 1 and c value is 112. Here 20 square is 20 into 20 is 400, minus into minus is plus. Now minus 4 ones are 4 and 4 112 is 448. 400 minus 448 is minus 48 is lesser than 0. Therefore d is lesser than 0. Therefore the equation has no real roots. D is lesser than 0, so it has no real roots. Fifth question is, it is possible to design a rectangular park of perimeter 80 meter and area 400 m square. If so, find its length and breadth. The answer is, let the length is equal to x meter, breadth is equal to y meter. Now we have to find the perimeter. So perimeter is equal to 80 meter. Now let us draw a diagram. This is a rectangle A, B, C, D. This value is X, Y, Y. This is a length and breadth value. So the perimeter formula is AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is equal to 80. So AB value is X, BC value is Y, CD value is X, DA value is Y, equal to 80. Here X plus X is 2X, plus Y is 2Y is equal to 80. Therefore, we have 2 common, so 2 of X plus Y is equal to 80. Now, X plus Y is equal to 80. This 2 comes over as by 2 divided by 8 is 2 ones are and 2 40s are 80. X plus Y is equal to 40. Therefore, Y is equal to 40 minus X. Because we are shifting the X to right hand side, it changes the sign. So we got the Y value now. So length is equal to X meter. Breadth is equal to 40 minus X meter, because breadth value is Y and we got the Y value as 40 minus X, so we're taking it as 40 minus X meter. According to the given condition in question, that is X of 40 minus X equal to 400, because we have in the question area 400 meter square, so we're taking here 400. Now how to do it is X into 40 is 40X minus X into X is X square. The 400, when it comes to left hand side, it changes the sign, it becomes minus 400 equal to 0. Now we have to do it in the proper equation, that is minus X square plus 40X minus 400 is equal to 0. We have to remove the minus sign, so minus of, putting the bracket, minus into minus plus X square, minus into plus is minus 40X, minus into minus is plus 400 is equal to 0. Now the proper equation is X square minus 40X plus 400 is equal to 0. So this satisfies the equation, that is the quadratic equation. So the discriminant is, discriminant is, therefore D is equal to B square minus 4AC equal to b value is 40, that is minus 40 whole square minus 4, a value is 1 and c value is 400. Now equal to 40 square is 1600 and minus into minus becomes plus, so plus 1600, and that minus I'm going to write over there, minus 4 1 is 4, 4 into 400 is 1600, 1600 minus 600 is 0, therefore d is equal to 0. Therefore the equation has equal roots. This equation has equal roots. So hence this situation is possible the quadratic equation x square minus 40x plus 400 is equal to 0. By factorization method, that is x square minus 40x plus 400 is equal to 0. Now x square into 400 is 400x square. If you multiply, you have to get 400x square. If you add a minus, you have to get minus 40x. Now how we are going to get this is 20 into 20 is 400, 20x into 20x is 400x square. How we get minus 40 is minus into minus is plus, 20 plus 20 is 40, so minus 40x. X square minus 20x plus 400 is equal to 0. X of x square minus x into 20x minus 20 of x into 20 is 20x minus into minus is plus 20 into 20 is 400 is equal to 0. Now x minus 20 is equal to 0. X equal to minus 20 becomes plus 20. X is equal to minus 20 becomes plus 20 and x is equal to minus 20 becomes plus 20. When x is equal to 20 and 40 minus x, 40 minus x is equal to 40 and x value is 20, so 20, 40 minus 20 is 20. Therefore length of rectangular park is equal to 20 meter. Therefore breadth of rectangular park is equal to 20 meter. So this is a complete answer of question 5. So now I have completed the exercise 4.3 fully, and in previous videos I have done exercise 4.1 and 4.2 in part 1 and part 2. Now this full chapter of quadratic equation has been completed. For previous exercise, watch the previous videos, and in next video I am going to start arithmetic progression chapter, so stay tuned for further notification. and press the bell icon. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. If you want me to do other topics related on the Max chapter of 10th standard, you may comment me and tell me. So, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.